Decompression button is on. I'll put it on here because you'll I got chain brakes on. Go ahead and pull on that starting handle just for a comparison. Give it a good yank. Pulls pretty hard, right?
Yeah.
Not too bad. Okay, now, oh, excuse me. Oh, shit. I did it opposite. Hard headed pushed in. That's the easy pull.
Yeah.
Hold on a second. I'll come back. I did it wrong. I pushed it in for. I wanted to pull it before I pushed it. See the difference, but I'll show it in a minute. But anyway, it makes a big difference. So look for that on the saw you purchase. It really helps out a lot. Leg clamp. I mean ground start. Fired. Okay, so there's the ground start method, which works really good. Okay, my switch is off, my chain brake's on. We'll do this right now. Go ahead and pull on that. See, a lot of pull hard, doesn't it? Okay, we already saw this, we cheated. But if I push that decompression button in, see the difference? Okay, so I wouldn't. It's great. I had got rid of my last saw that didn't have a decompression button. It was a 1994 254 Pro saw. Once in a while, it yanked the starter rope right out of your hand. Youch! I'm glad I got rid of that. I sold it for $100. Happy. So anyway, okay. Now the next starting method I want to show you is the leg clamp start, which I use all the time. I'm sure John uses it over there. I should have introduced you to John Cullen. He's another instructor, and if you came tomorrow, he'd be out here killing trees. So I guess he's here to critique me. He's gonna let me know what I forget and what I don't do right. All right. The leg clamp start. Plant the saw firmly between your legs. Gentlemen, pay close attention. The saw is tilted. Okay? It's not straight up and down. The saw is tilted slightly. Whatever's comfortable. Holding it between your legs. Nice straight pull on the starter rope. Works slick as can be. Nice safety with the starter saw. And when your saw is properly tuned, look how far the starter rope comes out. Ready? Pretty cool. All right. So ground start, leg start. No matter what method you use, always have the chain brake on. All right. I guess we're ready to start talking about trees. Yep.